Hello guys, this is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. Welcome back to my channel. Alright, thank you so much. Well, I think today is Tuesday of the week. Okay, so yeah, yesterday. Well done, Bradley. Okay, 很好, 很好, 很好. Hi Roger, hi Hubert, Flora, and Carol. Well, Mika, nice to see you. Well, okay. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, now give me the MT4, please. All right. Okay, quickly. Okay, so I guess most of you want to see the MT4, then want to see me, right? Yes, Riano, thank you so much. And Alex. Okay, all right. Okay, Alexandra, thank you. All right, where you are from? Okay, hi Phoebe from Philippines. Thank you. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so yes, let's not without any delay, quickly we have got into this into the analysis today. All right, hi Jenna, 你好，新年快乐，好久没见到你了。Okay. 都没看你的直播啊。好了好了，会，OK，好，我们会很加紧努力的去支持你的直播 ，OK， 好不好？好的，那么在这里啊，我们在这里看一下哈。好的，let's take a look at what we are going to hit on for. All right, so AUDCAD, well. 一开工就赚钱 ，OK, that's good, very good, very good. Okay, all right. So yeah, I correct. I just released a new video throughout the different platforms. Okay, so you guys can take a look at how I actually. I was talking about the pound yen yesterday. All right, I was talking about the pound yen yesterday. So I guess it is a good learning point for everybody. All right. Okay, so in Forex Trading Plan 2022 February the 8th, and I hope everybody will continue to get the profits. Okay, as of course, as for me, I'm actually getting a 5 pips trading. All right, so what's the reason behind? Okay, stay put, subscribe to my YouTube channel. All right, and you will find out more. All right, okay, so yep, that's good. Okay, so yes, let's go into our analysis today. Okay, let me get ready. Okay, so what I'm going to sell today. AUDCAD, is it a good time to sell today? Well, the trend now is in the bear and hits on the support, but not into the bull yet. But of course, there's some retracement up here. So creating a lower high, that means it's a kind of a lower resistance. It seems like it's telling us that it's going to retest the support level. All right, it's going to retest the support level. Well, if it's going to retest the support level, do I have a chance? Do I have a chance to actually grab some profit from this area? Yes, of course we do have. Okay, but let's take a look into narrow down the time frame to see if we have a chance. All right. Okay, AUDCAD H4, we are experiencing the resistance over here already. So we are actually left with very little space to get our profit with only 10 pips of space, which I think, it is going to be very good if we have the patience to wait for this to actually break the support level, and with a new resistance below the support level, then we sell. Okay, so actually we do have a chance. Yes, exactly. All right. Okay, we do have a chance. Okay, all right. So yep. Okay, so I'm going to take in AUDCAD today to sell. All right. So let's see if we have a chance to break the support. We must break the support before we can sell. Okay. All right. Okay. So now let's move on again. All right. Okay, so in Aussie franc, okay, Aussie franc over here, all right. Yeah, Aussie franc, we are now heading downwards as well, but it's going to be very slow. The bull is running up and now retested and now moving up again. So tentatively, okay, it's on the support that is actually moving up. So I will see that Aussie franc is still good for buying. Okay, it's still a sign of buying. So when will be the time that actually you can buy for Aussie franc? Okay, Aussie franc over here. Aussie franc over here. Yes, the resistance that we are talking about yesterday, it has become the support. Once tested and now become the support, going to form a new support that is going to be a good buy for you. All right, it's going to be tested and buy for you. Okay, and that will be again is a good buying signal for the buyers, not for the sellers. All right, so definitely no for selling for me. Okay, and I'm going to give you a miss today, but buyers, you can keep a lookout. Okay, so Aussie yen. All right, Aussie yen. Yes, tentatively looking at this, we are now heading down on the bear. However, today the bear market is having a retracement. Since the bear market is having a retracement, but of course the retracement is going to end by meeting up with a resistance in H4, I guess. Okay, over here. Let's check out. Okay, where is it? All right, so over at this point here, can you see a resistant area? It has tried to break through the resistant area over here. Okay, so right now looking at this, it seems like from the previous support, it break through and now it has a big selling off because of the buying volume. Again, the trending the trading has started but stopped here, whereby forming a new resistance and tested once, tested twice, and not breaking. Okay, so now it seems like it's breaking, but it's forming a support above the resistance level, which means the resistance has become a support. So tentatively, I will see that this chart here for this Aussie yen, okay, it will still have a chance of going for a buy. So tentatively, the retracement is not ending yet, so it will still continue. All right. So be patient, okay, for Aussie yen, probably on the second half of the day or tomorrow. Okay, make sure it has to come back. Aqua have to cut below the white line here, and the candle have to fall below the resistance area. All right. Okay. Yes. Okay. So let's carry on. Okay, and Aussie Kiwi. Aussie Kiwi. All right. Hi, Man Y， 新年快乐！你好，你好。All right, so over here, just nice. Okay, so over here, let's take a look with Aussie Kiwi. All right, Aussie Kiwi. Okay. Oh, Man Y, yesterday I saw you and cousin also got some TP, huh? That's good. All right, follow the structure, huh? Okay. So in day one over here, Dexy and Aussie Kiwi is still on the bull run, still running on the bull, and we are very near to the bear. Okay, very near already. So tentatively, I will still be striking on my patience. Be very patient to wait for it to go into the bear market. Okay, so tentatively it is still not there yet. Okay, it is still trying on the transition over here. All right, this is a whole area of the transition over here. Like here, okay, the resistance, okay, so very near and comes back. So the support, okay, over here, and now let's take a look. The previous support, it breaks and become a resistance. So previous resistance become the support right now. It's going to be hitting on the support, and it may form up a new support and continue the buying. Okay, all right. Okay, so Aussie Kiwi will still be in the bull. I will not touch anything about it. All right. Okay, just leave it alone. Okay. All right. Hi, Quack， 你好，你好，Quack， 新年快乐！哇，我看到你的这个 posting 啊，是在这个很美的一个地方哦，是你家吗？哎呀，你看我又犯错了，不可以问是不是你家哈，应该是在一个很美的地方就好了。All right. Okay, so now Aussie dollar. Let's take a look at Aussie dollar. Aussie dollar, actually, we are heading down into the bull, but retested once that we actually grabbed some profit over here, and now it's went into the bull zone and are now committed into the transition. Okay, so now it's the transition to the bull. Okay, so tentatively, currently I will still be looking at the time to buy. Okay, so a good buy will be right now. I think this is good. Okay, we are on the support right now, and it has tested the support, yet it's not breaking. So I would say Aussie dollar, whoever who want to buy, yeah, I think a good chance to buy. Okay, yes, you have a good chance to buy, and let's check out the general resistance over here. Yes, you have around 24 pips to buy. Okay, so that's not one that we are looking at. Okay, all right. Okay, yeah, TP on EN, that's good. All right, but Miss GG 哦，驾车回家哈 ，OK， 没问题了哈 ，OK， 有 TP 就好了 ，OK， 慢慢建立哈 ，OK， 我也是这样慢慢5个点建立起来的哈 ，All right，OK， so Aussie dollar good for buying, but 24 pips of TP of space not for me. I'm going to skip. All right. Okay, now next on to the EURAUD. Okay, all right. Okay, Shangri-La Beach Hotel. Wow, nice. Okay, very nice. Okay, I will be there one day. Okay. Okay, 好的，那么来我们再看看啊 ，EURAUD. All right, EURAUD. Well, EURAUD is coming. All right, it's moving into the bear now, into the bear zone. So now moving to the bear zone, by looking at this bear zone is looking pretty good. Okay, however, it is still in the transition. So right now we are looking at this part here, where it's actually just forming up with a new support. So if I want to short, if I want to sell, okay, so tentatively by looking at this, the one that tested once here, over here, the lowest of the resistance here, okay, tested but rejected, tested but rejected, okay, so what we are looking at, what we are looking for, guys, if we want to sell, okay, if we want to sell this Euro Aussie, okay, make sure you break the support here. Make sure you break the support here. In the whole of a general, okay, the general reading over here, it seems like the resistance area, you see, the resistance, head and shoulder here, and created a new resistance here, and tested once and it's not breaking. So it's a good time to see if it's going into the bear market. Okay, so I'm waiting for it to break the support level. Okay, I'm waiting for it to break the support area here before we take a good shot after that. Okay, all right. Hi Jimmy, 你好，新年快乐. All right, so over here, I guess Euro Aussie, we are moving downwards actually. Okay, which is good. Okay, which is very good now. I think the second half of the day or tomorrow it will be much more obvious that if today we can break out here, tomorrow will be so much obvious that we are going for a selling. All right. Okay, so probably I'll take into consideration of this Euro Aussie. Okay, Euro Aussie that we are going to pay attention to it because it's going for a good selling. Now, probably on the second half of the day or tomorrow. Okay. All right. So I guess still good that we can still pay attention to it. Okay. All right. So what's next now? Okay. Okay. Yeah. Let's go. All right. EURCAD. EURCAD. Wow. EURCAD. Again, we have meet up with the resistance yesterday and pushing down. Let's see. Are we going for a bear? We are going for a selling. All right. Tentatively, oh my god, we are EURCAD moving almost the same way as a Euro Aussie. So yeah, I'm gonna put EURCAD into consideration whereby it must break the support. Okay, it must break the support. But looking at EURCAD, it is so much optimistic than Euro Aussie. Okay, so straightforward, I'm going to put it in. Okay, Euro Aussie, EURCAD. Okay. All right, so this is quite a good one, okay. Yes, oh, the Facebook group have a tweet. Okay, please, yeah, okay. All right, yeah, I'm streaming through different YouTube, Facebook group. Okay, yes. All right, so okay, EURAUD. Let's take a look at EURAUD. EURAUD definitely I won't going for a selling. Okay, why is that so? It's because EURAUD, okay, we are in the bull zone. Right now is a retracement from in the bull, okay, retracement in the bull. So there's one here and over here. Okay, yeah, let's take a look. Did I get the support correctly? Okay, now the support area. Okay, this is the support area. Let me delete this, take this instead. Okay, so that is much clearer. The previous resistance, has actually break through and now become the support. Okay, so over here, if they're going to drop for the next 27 pips, when it form a new support, definitely it will start to move up. It will start to move up to a buy and break the resistance easily. Okay, because we are in the bull zone. Okay, we are in the bull zone. So currently, I will not be looking at this for a selling for Euro Pound. Okay, so I think Pound is getting stronger, or probably some opening, despite opening the borders, despite the spike of the COVID-19 in Germany, and Germany is actually, the euro is actually I don't know. Okay, so yeah, we have to pay more attention to this. Okay, but remember, whenever news is never new. Okay, so for me, I will always look at the technical analysis, because I always believe that market is moved by the trader, and the movement over here in the candlesticks over here always tell us what's going on in the market. All right, so there may be some there may be a fluctuation. Okay, a downward retracement, because it's looking out for a best price to support. then it will start to push harshly. Okay, so Euro Pound, I was still waiting for a buy. Okay, I will still be waiting for a buy then to sell. Okay, all right. So currently, buying is still optimistic, but we have to wait for a new support. Okay, all right, all right. So Euro Yen, let's take a look at Euro Yen. Yes, Alexandra, yeah, correct. I'm more focusing on the selling, so we're picking up currency pair for selling. Okay, right. But however, I will still highlight those buying trades. Okay, so you have to take note. Okay, all right. So as for Euro Yen is actually moving towards a bull. So it's very obvious we are moving very, very smoothly in the bull market right now. Okay, it hits here and it retraces down and now going up again, moving towards the bear market. Am I right? It's moving towards the bear zone over here. As for me, all right, that this bear zone is an indication that when it enter here, it's going to have a lot of turbulence where I'm going to avoid trading. And the next thing, if it break out, then it will continue the bull. But if it turns downwards, then I'm going for a bear market. Okay, so from here to here, I will have a very good opportunity. All right. So it depends on the next where is the bull zone that may surface. Then we will take note about that. All right. Okay. Okay, so now taking a look at Euro Yen still running bull, okay, very strongly. So buying is still possible, right? Like now is good. Okay, like now, okay, this is I think this is quite good because as you can see, it tested the support and it start to build a higher support. Okay, this is something like what I said, mentioned yesterday about my video in the YouTube. Please go and take a look in this playlist 2022 Forex Trading Strategy number 2, episode 2. Okay, so yesterday I was talking about the pound yen. Okay, but this is similar to pound yen. However, it hits on the support. Okay, it didn't go back and hits directly to the resistance. However, this one is start to build a higher support towards the resistance. It's a sign of buying to break the resistance. So it's totally different from the pound yen which I mentioned yesterday. So go and watch that video and compare Euro Yen today. It's a bit different because pound yen it came down and it went up directly to the resistance and came down to the support and went directly to the resistance. Okay, so this one it has actually came down, hits on the support, but built a higher support. So it's a sign of strength to buy. Okay, so Euro Yen is still good to buy. All right. Okay, so over here, all right. So this is something that we are looking at. Okay, unless you are doing a retracement trading 5 pips, okay, probably you may capture it, but a bit slow. Okay, I want to have 80% of confidence trades, then I will place it in my list. Okay, all right. So Euro Yen good for buying, but not for selling today. Okay, so I'm going to pay attention. Maybe it's the second half of the day, probably. Okay, the next 4 hours. All right, but not now yet. Okay, I'm going to give it a miss today for Euro Yen. All right. Okay, hi Hanson， 你好，新年快乐。OK， 祝你投资顺利，股票把声的长在你的口袋里面啊。OK，so 在这里我们这样看啊。OK，Euro Kiwi，we have been waiting since November. Am I right? Okay, since the last November, and finally we are here. Okay, finally we are here. Okay, so over here. By looking at this right now, okay, we are into the bear zone. Now we are into the bear zone. So Euro Kiwi, I'm going to take note where to sell. Okay, where to sell. All right. So very obvious. This is the selling point. Okay, green candle, red candle. This is going to be my resistance. All right. So the next one that I can see very obvious here. There's one support here. Okay. So let's take a look. Where is it? Okay. So in H1 narrow down again, I left with about 24 pips, 27 pips. Okay, so do we have a chance to grab something? Do we have something to grab? Okay, probably not now. Okay, so probably not now. I hope the movement of the Euro Kiwi will respect the moving average in the market. Okay, so the trader actually can continue to move down smoothly to break all the support. Okay, so tentatively, okay, for me, now right now I'm looking at this Euro Kiwi in H4. It is actually is still in the transition. This is the transition area. Okay, this whole area is a transition area. Okay, again, I'm going to put in the, let me put in a box so that it's going to show you very easily. You can identify, okay, I want it to move out of this box if I want to sell. Okay, if I want to sell, I want the candle to move out of this box. I want aqua to cut below the white line in H4. Okay, then that will show me that it has actually gone into the bear market and is out of the transition. All right, so this is where I want it to be. Okay, so over here, okay, right now, Euro Kiwi, we can take note. Okay, we can take note about Euro Kiwi. So Euro Kiwi, I will put into my list because I see that there's great potential, but probably on the second half of the day, when it has a later on, okay, may have just shoot down, break the support, a new candle, it may turn up in H1, a new candle may turn up H1, and stay below the support level. And then we have a green and red resistance forming up below the support level. Then we start to sell. Okay, then we start to sell from there. Okay, why? Because M5, we need the M5 new strength, and you retrace upwards, the M5 give you a new strength, then it will start to sell. Okay, all right, understand? Okay. Okay. Okay, so next, euro dollar. We are actually moving towards, we are actually also moving towards the, from the bull, as we can see previously for the past, we had tried to break the bull, but it failed. But now immediately it went into the bear resistant area over here. Okay, so yesterday I was talking about this area also. So this area, let me highlight it properly. So I want it to break below. Okay, if it's breaking below now, like now, you see it's struggling, right? Yesterday I was saying that you must break this. You must break this no matter what, no matter how. Okay, you have to break this area, then it will continue the selling for the potential of 100 over pips, 170 pips of space. But of course, along the way, we have 130 pips before we meet up with one support. Okay, so this one is one of the points that we should be looking at. Euro dollar, I want to sell. Okay, 是的, yes, yeah. Okay, so I will take euro dollar into consideration in my list. Okay, then next go. Okay, pound Aussie, all right. Okay, so pound Aussie, looking at this. Okay, now what we are going to have. Thank you, Riano. Thank you so much. Okay, if you find that this video is helping you to trade, and my reading, my analysis, like Riano, you were saying that it hits 90%, then give me a thumbs up. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, because I'm doing it for myself every day, so might as well come to live and share with everybody. Okay, all right. So pound Aussie. Let's take a look at pound Aussie. By reading the pound Aussie, first of all, it's a bit tough for me to determine pound Aussie, where should I be going. Okay, I have actually plotted out this pound Aussie that is still in the bull run. Okay, the bull is still running very strongly, and it is having some resistance because of this part here. Okay, let me zoom in and take a look. So as you can see, there's a resistance here. It's coming along here. Okay, my resistance level. Okay, so now it's coming down, but it hits the support is actually very near as well. Okay, but it's in the bull. So can you imagine it's the bull market? So this is the retracement. Once it hits on the support, it will give extra power to go up. So because it's in the bull market meets a support, it will go up very strongly. Bear market meet with a resistance, it will come down very harshly. Okay, just like pound yen. Okay, so over here we are meeting with our support. So buyers for pound Aussie is you are in a good position now. Okay, just be patient. Okay, let me take a look. Oh, okay, so it's coming to retest the support again. If it's breaking, then hold it. Do not enter any trade. If it's not breaking, but instead it's building up with a red and green candle, a support, that means get ready to buy. Okay, you have a very good space. Okay, all right. So pound Aussie, you go for a buy, not for selling. For people like me, sellers, keep your pound Aussie away. Okay. All right. So next to go, pound CAD. Pound CAD, we are actually moving in the bull. We are moving into a bull. Same thing, meeting up with the resistance over here, and now the resistance giving a retracement. The retracement come to an end over here. This area, whereby the previous resistance, the support break, and now it become a resistance from the previous support. Okay, then they sell off. Okay, the buying trade, and now they come back again, and now this part is selling off again, but the resistance comes in. Can you see there's a tail here? That means to say that previously at this point of time, there in the market, there are people who actually try to sell off their trades. Okay, but it failed, and it's still breaking through. Okay, so sellers are holding losses until here. Okay, very likely. And over here, this shows that the support has been tested once, but it failed to break. So now it's actually a good time to buy, because a good time to buy, but not now, huh? Okay, it's a good currency pair to buy, but not now. Okay, that's pound CAD. So please be careful. All right, no selling for pound CAD, although it looks like there's a big candle. Oh, there's a resistance now coming back here. But actually, please don't fall into the trap. Okay, you have to be very, very vigilant and well versed with reading the market movement and the logic behind the forex trading. Okay, so pound CAD good for buying, not for selling today. And let's move again quickly. We are now going to pound franc. Pound franc, buying or selling? Okay, pound franc is into the bull and now running up and retrace with a higher low, with a higher support, and now it's going to break the resistance. So buyers, you can consider to buy after it breaks the resistance. When it retraces back and hold and stop at the resistance, which become the support, and after that, when the red candle and green candle start to buy, okay, then we will go for a buy over here. Okay, all right. So this pound franc is still good for buying. Okay, all right. Okay, so let's move. 你好，怎么你是什么 Kuching 啊？来自 Kuching 的 OK， 怎么会跑到这个组别里面去呢？All right, so yes, wow, okay, over here. 你好，我会说华语。OK， 今天是用英文讲解。OK， 谢谢。Okay, all right. So let's move on again. Okay. Oh yeah, just we have a friend from Kuching. Yeah, Hubert and Roger was shocked. Okay. Now let's see. Okay. Let's see. Pound yen. Let's take a look. Pound yen. After it retraced, downwards here, and now moving into the bear zone again. Now it's moving to the bear zone again today. Once it opened, the market opens, it started to push back, correct? Because yesterday, right, as we can see from yesterday, it actually pushes down, okay, and then on the second half of the day, it starts to move back, correct? Move back into the transition area. Where's the transition area, Eric? Okay, so can you see? All this area here in H4, when it tested once, tested 2, tested 3, this area are the transition area. Okay, so right now, okay, looking at this, we are actually moving towards this part here. Okay, this part here, we are looking at the resistance area here. If you actually zoom out, you have a bigger picture to see. Okay, support, break. These are the transition area. Finally, it breaks through and we go for a selling. Remember? Okay, that's a very pretty good period that we sell. Now after that, no more selling, and it start to retrace upwards with higher low, higher support, and finally it started to change the trend by trying to break the support. So over here, it has a new transition area again. Okay, so over here it started to trying to break the trend. So over here, like this area, this is going to be the transition area to break down into the bear. Okay, so same thing for pound yen today. I'm not going to do selling unless it hits on the resistance without breaking the resistance, and it start to turn down. In the transition area, is it safe to trade in the transition area? Well, transition area has a lot of turbulence whereby it will hit on the resistance. If it's not breaking, it starts to sell. Yes, you can sell, but for a short-term profit, like maybe some people out there, you like to do scalping, yes, you can do, but I would say that it's not really safe. But if you want to go for a long-term, probably it will be much better to do it below here. Okay, and you have to know every situation, every stages in forex trading, so that it's much easier for you to trade. Okay, so that's the reason why I say you have to wait for it to hit on the resistance. Why? It's because in M5, looking at M5, can you see? It start to move up. It's going to give you a new strength near to the resistance area. Guys, okay, look carefully. Okay, if the pink arrow stop around in this area of resistance, okay, there's no defined definite price for a resistance, correct? So it's around this area. So if the white line curve back downwards with all candles below the white and new strength coming in, okay, up below the white line, take note. Okay, all right. So now let's move. So pound yen, okay, pound yen is still waiting for it to test on the resistance to go for a selling. Okay, so I guess it is still good if the resistance is not breaking, huh? Okay, so it went back to the transition. Okay, so probably I can put in, okay, pound yen. Okay, you can have an experience to trade, okay, for a scalping 5 pips, okay, then 5, okay, and look out for the support level in H1 where to exit the trade. Okay, all right. So pound kiwi, we are very near to the okay, we are very near to the bear zone now. Okay, still running very strongly in the bull. Okay, once it hits on the support level, very likely it's going to retrace upwards. So can you see, is this very obvious? This is my transition area. Haha, so obvious, am I right? Okay, this is very obvious. Okay, so once it break through, then this will continue the bear running for a period of time. Okay, so pound kiwi, if I want to sell, I want to make sure it breaks the support here with a new resistance below, I will start selling. Okay, pound kiwi. Wow, today we have a lot to focus. So I hope everyone, if in your group, okay, maybe you can split it up, okay, to alert each other. All right, okay, so that so that everyone can make a profit together. Okay, so yeah. So pound kiwi, we can sell after it breaks the support level. Okay. How about pound dollar? All right, pound dollar over here. This pound dollar is in the bull, running up, forming a higher support, still in the bull run. So right now, if today is going to form up a new support, then forget about it. Okay, I've been studying this. Okay, if the support over here, okay, now it's building out the support. So very obvious it's going to fall by. Am I right? Okay, unless it breaks the support level, then it's a retracement trading. Okay, this is a retracement trading to retest the support area here. Okay, so please be very careful, because one support here, higher support, and now going to build, because as you go down to a lower time frame, this lower time frame has already starting to build, okay, support already, a higher support, correct? Higher. So it's going to be dangerous. It's still on the bull run. So pound dollar, I'm not going to take into my consideration today. So I'll leave it alone. Just give it a miss. Dollar CAD. It is still in my bear. Alright, it's still good to sell, but not today. We're having a retracement. So tentatively, if the support is very near, let's see how many pips do we have. Do we have about 1, 2, to be exact, we have about 30 pips. So if you dollar CAD, if we want to sell for dollar CAD today, okay, please, okay, make sure, okay, first we are very near to the resistance. Either it hits on the resistance without breaking, then it start to turn down with green and red. Same thing, M5 will be carried out one pattern. It will go up, okay, it will go up and meet with the resistance, the white line as well, to turn along the resistance area. Okay, then we have a new strength, then you sell. All right, okay, that's for dollar CAD today. Dollar CAD today we have a little bit of retracement today. Okay, so I hope the retracement ending, okay, but it's not that much of a retracement, so I think it's still good that we can still continue the selling. But look out for the support area. The support area that we only have about 20 over pips to go. So grab something within the 20 pips and go. All right. Dollar CAD. Okay. Yeah, dollar CAD we can. Let me see again. Let me check again. Dollar CAD. Oh yes, this 4 hours is forming our new resistance. Okay, let's hope that something here, okay, for us, dollar CAD, probably on the second half of the day. Or if not, it may be tonight, okay. Anyway, today we don't have a lot of news, high impact news. We don't have high impact news today, so it's still good to trade, all right. Okay, dollar franc. Dollar franc is on the bull, so can only buy, no selling at all. Okay, you can only buy. Buying is highly possible, no selling at all. Okay. How about dollar yen? Dollar yen, we are moving in the zone. Okay, this is not a option. This is a bear zone. We are in the bear zone now. So this zone, usually in this zone, I will not do any trading. Okay, this zone is a bit difficult for us to determine where is the direction going, because it can go either way. Okay, this stage. Okay, this stage. So I'm going to give you a miss today. All right, Riano. So for you again, all right, and guys who are investing in the Bitcoin. Okay, so congratulations. From yesterday until today, we have very good result from Bitcoin. Okay, so we have from 42 to 44. So we are still moving towards the 48, like what I'm expecting to it that it will go. Okay, so congratulations, guys. Well done, well done. Okay, so that's good. So tentatively, it's still moving very strongly with some obstruction, but very near to the 48, but it's coming very soon. Okay. All right. So wrap it up quickly, because the market is going to open in this in another 1 minute. Okay. So what we are going to focus today. Okay. Aussie CAD to sell, Euro Aussie, Euro CAD, Euro Kiwi, Euro dollar, Pound Yen, Pound Kiwi, and dollar CAD. All right, so remember, those that you need to wait for it to hit on the resistance, please wait. After hitting a resistance, make sure you check your M5 with all the candle movement is on the resistance, below the resistance, I mean, okay, below or just nice at the resistance around that area. Okay, when it's starting to sell, grab that 5 pips. Okay, all right. So grab that 5 pips in the correct trigger point. Huh? You have your own entry point. Am I right? Okay, so I guess that's about all today. Guys, quickly wish you good luck in your trading today, and also bountiful of profit. So remember to click on the like button, subscribe, and ring up the bell. Okay, so this is everything from ACS Learning Hub. I shall see you again, and thank you for all your time here today. Okay, from all the platforms here. All right, thank you very much. See you tomorrow. Wish you good luck. See you.